Hey y'all, Libby with C Chats here. I'm going to show you how to do volume pricing in your eBay store. So volume pricing applies to one item ID. So you want to make sure you have multiple quantities. It is not across categories. That is the multi-discount. So you want to check out multi-item discount. That is what you want to check out the other tutorial for. But this applies to one item ID. So somebody could, if you have 100 of something, or even if you have 2 or 3 of something, you can set up this volume pricing. Okay, so you're going to go, this is how you navigate to it. You're going to go to My eBay Selling Seller Hub. And from Seller Hub, you're going to click on Marketing and go to Discounts. All right, let me share my screen here. It is also called your Promotions Dashboard. So you may be familiar with this. You can see different ones that are set up if you have some running. And I set up volume pricing here. This is one of the structures I do. Now, volume pricing for me, I do not have a whole lot of multi-quantity items. So I just set it up to run on everything in the store, and it just picks up those items and it automatically applies the discount. But I'll show you how to add rules if you need to do that for your inventory. Okay, so volume pricing, I have it named something that I can find in my promotions dashboard. I know it's volume pricing and it's the 10, 20, 30 rule. Okay, and we have, buy 2, save 10%, buy 3, save 20%, buy 4, save 30%. You can change these to whatever you're comfortable with. Okay. Inventory, you can add or change the rules. Again, I have it set for all of my items because I don't have that many multi-quantity items, and I don't want to be in there fooling with it, changing it around. If it applies, if I have that multi-quantity, it automatically applies. But let's say you only wanted to do it on a certain category, you wanted to exclude items, or you wanted to do it based on pricing, you can go ahead and change those options. You can say I have all inventory selected. If you click the drop down, you can go by store category, eBay category. You can set the price, and then you can just do whatever listings you want to add in there. Now, the other thing I just want to show you real quick is that you can, oh, it did not like when I did that. Okay. So the other thing you can do at the bottom there, you'll see that it lets you select a date range. So mine's been running for about 2 years now. I just keep this promotion just running constantly so I don't have to fool with it. It's not, it's just a way to encourage buyers to, get more than one item, right? Anyway, we can do that. We love multi-quantity sales, and the volume pricing is one way we can do that. If you're interested in doing that across categories with different items, what you want is the multi-quantity discount, and that I show that in another tutorial. So hopefully that helps, and everybody have a good one.